Join me in welcoming Mayor Manuel Chiquiting Sagarbarria to deliver the annual State of the City Address.
Please sit down. Congresswoman Maisa Sagarbarria, my beautiful wife. Congresswoman Janice Digamo, you're here. Congressman Carl Rigaspi of the Pinoy Workers' Party List. He was here a couple of hours ago, but he had to go back to Manila because tomorrow morning he has a very early meeting, so he had to leave. But he was here. The group of the Pinoy Workers' Party List is here with us this evening. So again, thank you very much for coming. Governor Chaco Sagarbarria, my only son. Vice Governor Fritz Diaz, I hope he is here. I haven't seen him. Members of the Negros Oriental Provincial Board, they're all there. Handsome as can be. You should be very proud. I called you handsome. Vice Mayor Stanislao Alviola, my partner. Members of the Dumaguete City Council, they're all dashing, beautiful, handsome. Look at them. Nadpun mo, gwapo mo. The city mayors who are here, my friends, there's somewhere here. Our barangay officials, our city department and office heads, and all city government employees, officers and members of various uniformed services, directors and officers of the Negros Island Region, NIR, representatives from the education, private and religious sector, members of the media, distinguished friends, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Dumaguetnons. I am using the word Dumaguetnons, not Dumagueteños, because if you look at history here in the city of Dumaguete, it's only now we call ourselves Dumagueteños. But history will tell us that we have always been known as Dumagueteños, not what we are used to saying. Mayong gabi natong tanan. From the bottom of my heart, thank you all for being here tonight, especially our dear guest who comes away from other places, from Bayawan, from north of Negros Oriental, and especially to our guest. He just had to leave earlier this afternoon, because he has to catch up the plane at 6 because of his meeting tomorrow. And I would like to mention his name, Congressman Carl Rigaspi. He has spent time, effort, and money just to come. But sadly, he had to leave because of other important events that he has to attend tomorrow. Tonight, we are doing things a little different. It's not the usual State of the Nation, a State of the City address. By the way, instead of me here standing for the next hour for reasons one can accomplish after another, we prepared something for you to watch. It's going to be a video presentation.
Action! Balita!